guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. If you've been here before, hello and welcome back. In today's video, to continue on with our home decor style series, we are going to be discussing coastal beach house vibes. Coastal decor is a beach-inspired type of interior that heavily relies on natural light, a soft palette that is usually full of blue and light blues. It has an airy feel, it has a lot of natural textures, and even a few beach or sea-related items or motifs. In other words, it's a relaxed and breezy summer in that room all year round. Without further ado, check out this video on coastal inspired rooms. Comment down below if you all have ever thought about having a home or a coastal or beach inspired room in your home. I think this style is so relaxing and so gorgeous, but I wonder how many people out there agree with me. Comment down below. guys, I hope that you all are enjoying the video. There's so many beautiful rooms here that we have showcased today. Let me know your favorite down below in the comment section. There's something about a good coastal room that I absolutely just love, even though I am nowhere near the beach. So like I said, comment your favorite below. If you want to know my favorite, drum roll please, it is this gorgeous room. It's so relaxing with the blues, the neutral colors. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is the room you come to unwind. If you all have enjoyed this video, definitely hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.